Hi everyone, I am back after such a long hiatus, but mainly because I have been so busy at work. And of course you guys know that I am a full-time doctor, and in this COVID period, I absolutely had no time for YouTube and filming new videos. I do appreciate those lovely private messages from many of you checking up on me, and yes, I am well. Well, today I have decided to wake up really early to film this video as I am excited to share about my newest exotic Hermes leather bag. For those of you new to my channel, hello gorgeous ladies and welcome to Life with Lokie. I don't consider myself a mega YouTuber or a luxury influencer, but I really do love the simple luxuries, buying pre-loved, vintage or luxury pieces with a history. And I thought it will be nice to share it on my channel for any of you who are looking to buy similar. Similarly, I love to watch other YouTube videos as research before I spend, hence I thought it will be nice to contribute to this web of knowledge. I hope you enjoy my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and let's be friends. No surprises here, but you have seen in my thumbnail already. This is my first Birkin. And of course, these are the ribbon and the felt that came with it. So this is my first Birkin, and I'm just gonna do some unboxing as I talk. I got this in the exotic ostrich leather, and there you go. So this is a Birkin 30 in ostrich leather in the natural sable color in palladium hardware, which is also my first Hermes bag in palladium hardware. So in fact, this bag is a birthday gift to myself, and I wanted to pick something special. I purchased this bag pre-loved as I wanted to choose exactly the specifications of my preference, which is the color, the hardware, and the size of the bag. I guess there are two camps among the luxury YouTubers, those who would love to go for the hunt of scoring one in-house versus those who embrace the pre-loved market. To me, I'm definitely flexible, but wouldn't completely rule out the option of trying to score one from the store. First things first, I am not a huge fan of the super small bags, as I am looking for a classic size, which is both functional and not too big, but would last me many years to come. So my preference was a Birkin 30, and according to my lifestyle, I would use this size more, as this is more a daytime fun bag size and style. So of course, this came with all the stuffings, which I will remove, and I will show you the bag in detail. What I find interesting and characteristic about the ostrich leather is the small raised bumps or polka dots in the hide. And this area is called the crown. And this crown area is only found on the region where the neck meets the body. And these cute little bumps are feather quill marks. In the Hermes ostrich leather range, these bumps, or eyes as they call it, are hammered flat against the skin. I find these polka dots in the leather really cute and charming, and gives it a playful twist to the entire look. So let me show you the details of this bag first before I discuss more about this exotic leather, and then we shall compare it against a normal leather Hermes bag and see the difference. Alright, so let's look at the Birkin 30 in ostrich leather in detail, and in a short while I will compare it to my HAC in natural color Epsom leather. Just really going to mention the obvious differences. So first things first, this is the Birkin 30, and obviously a Birkin comes with two handles compared to the Kelly bag, and I managed to pick out this really cute twilly. I think it comes in like a Tiffany blue color, and I really adore like these polka dots on it, which kind of goes with the skin of the bag. I thought this color went really well because I did try out a few other color tones and it didn't quite fit the natural sable that well. So there you go. This was the polka dots that I was talking about, and you can see that it's kind of hammered flat if I put it sideways there. Okay, so that's the ostrich leather, quite beautiful. And this is it in palladium hardware, and that's a stamp that just falls right on one of the polka dots. Right, here you go. So that's the side view of the bag. And the back, oops, it's come undone. Okay, so that's cute too. So I like it that it's so even in terms of like the dotting. And just at the other side, there you go. I think it's kind of like doesn't have that much of the dots there, you know, but I'm not that fussy. And let's look at the base. So that's the base of the bag. Obviously there's the 4 studs. There you go. Okay, now let's zoom in on the interior. Obviously I managed to find an organizer that's also like in a turquoisey blue color. This is the flap, which is also in the ostrich leather, but interior wise it's not in ostrich leather. This is just in normal leather, like just any other Hermes leather bags. Okay, I also have so it came in the raincoat, and obviously there was the origin, the certificates of origin of the leather, okay, plus all the details that the receipt of the bag. That's what how I keep my bag. Okay, and also came in the accessories. This is the clochette, which is super cute, and it's also in the ostrich leather. And the lock, super cute as well. I didn't manage to find any polka dots on this. Right, so that's the base of the lock. And you know, obviously when you compare the ostrich leather bags to the normal leather bag, you would notice that there should be a numbering of the lock which matches the key, but for this ostrich lock, basically there isn't a number. Okay, I think that's probably the way it's made for like exotic bags. Okay, and then obviously the keys in there. So that's one set. Now if we do like a quick comparison with the HAC in natural leather, Epson leather, natural color. So there you go, that's in gold hardware. And obviously with the gold hardware it comes with a gold lock, so I guess that's the difference. So that's this lock with the Epson leather, and then I have the ostrich leather lock, so that's the difference. And we have the clochette, which is in ostrich leather, versus the clochette which is in normal leather. So I think that's the obvious difference. And just one more difference which I picked out is where is the hardware. So for the gold hardware, you can see like there's a little tiny square here. I think that kind of marks like it's gold plated, versus the palladium hardware bag, which there isn't like a square there. So I think that's like the real basic difference. I guess for those of you keen on like a comparison between a Birkin 30 versus a HAC 32, do drop me a comment in the comments below if you would like a comparison video of these two bags. You know, what it fits, you know, just let me know if you are planning to buy either the B30 or the HAC 32, and I will try my best to do a video for you. But you know, I just did like a very basic obvious comparison between the ostrich leather and the normal Epson leather for you there. Now, I will be discussing the pros and cons of the ostrich leather and how to care for it if you do own one or plan to own one. The ostrich leather is the most durable exotic Hermes uses and is water resistant, so you would never have to worry about rain for this bag. Of course, if you accidentally get any liquid spilled on it, do use a soft cloth to soak up as much of the spilled liquid as possible. The ostrich leather is also extremely lightweight and retains its structure very well. So as long as you don't abuse the bag, the ostrich leather is an amazing skin that can be used forever with minimal maintenance. The amazing thing about ostrich leather is that it has a lot of its natural oils, which helps it resist cracking and becoming stiff. However, the leather can darken over time with exposure to skin oils like hand creams and body lotions. As such, you may find some darkening in the handles when looking through ostrich leather bags in the pre-loved market. Knowing that this leather does darken and patina with body oils, I would definitely recommend getting a twilly to protect your handles from the get-go and keep it away from grease, which is what I did the moment I got my bag. So I just had to hunt for a twilly, preferably something that would suit the color, and just put it on straight away. The ostrich leather is prone to fading when stored under sunlight, and when not in use, it is good to store them away in a soft cloth bag or its dust bag for that matter, in a clean, dry and dark place, just to maintain the color. There you go. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Well, I hope you find this video interesting about ostrich leathers and the subtle differences it is with the normal Hermes leathers. Personally, I really enjoy the polka dot look, which gives the leather some depth. Also, I was torn between getting a neutral toned exotic skin versus bright pop colors like fuchsia or bright blues. I thought it would be a safe choice to start with neutrals first, and perhaps next time a nice pink color to add to my collection. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you like and give a thumbs up to my videos. For those of you new to my channel, I really hope you subscribe and join my family, and let's enjoy luxury together. For those of you with dying questions about ostrich leather, and if you are intending to get one, do drop me a comment and I will try my best to answer them. Take care ladies, and see you on my next video.